just finished this final walk with the contractor and the client on this building in Orange County for a college. This once was a built-up gravel roof system that was fully encapsulated by WeatherWeld. So what we did is we came up, vacuumed all the loose gravel off, prepped the roof, and on this building in particular, we actually added a couple drains. So a total of 4 drains were added to this building to promote water flow off the building. And I wanted to take the time to explain how the WeatherWeld system works. What I have in my hand right here is the long strand fiberglass mat that is embedded inside the asphalt emulsion on this roof. And it is sprayed simultaneously, creating a seamless roof system. So on most built-up roofs, single-ply roofs, as the building thermal cycles and the roof moves, it pulls at the seams. So if your roof has seams, those are the weak parts. That's where the roof is gonna fail. With WeatherWeld, as you can see, you get a totally seamless roof from one end of the building to the bottom of the drains to the other end of the building, totally encapsulated, creating no weak points in the system. With our long strand fiberglass technology, the roof system is able to stretch in 360 degrees. So as whatever way this building moves, this matrix system will keep its strength in whatever way the building moves. So 360 degrees of stretch is what you get with our long strand fiberglass technology. Without the long strand fiberglass technology, there are other roofing systems on the market that just use a 1/2 inch strand. Those do not have the strength or the ability to be able to move with the building. The WeatherWeld long strand fiberglass technology is the key to our success.